Piali y mohuantin na no toca Diego wan na ni yorpactoc pampan nikan pan Eastside Cafe. Hi everyone, I'm Diego and I'm happy because I'm here at Eastside Cafe. I want to talk to you about the power of space. There are certain spaces that include people and there are certain spaces that exclude people. Eastside Cafe is one of those spaces that includes people. It includes people like me. If you look at the murals that are here, they inspire me. They make me feel like I fit in. I feel like I belong here. I see the murals and I identify with the characters. I identify with the things that they do. I see myself as an agent. That's why spaces like Eastside Cafe are good spaces where you can see yourself reflected. Not a lot of spaces allow for groups to come, converse, and basically feel like themselves. Here in Eastside Cafe, I come every Sunday to learn Nahuatl. Nahuatl is a native language that is generally not taught in schools in the United States because there are not a lot of resources, but Eastside Cafe provides a space where we can express ourselves. We can teach each other Nahuatl. I'm one of the teachers who teaches here every Sunday, and I feel like with this environment, I feel like I can identify and I can speak with other people and teach them Nahuatl. And for that reason, I think we should keep spaces like Eastside Cafe because it makes me happy and it makes me feel like I belong.